working. Hello, hello. Everyone, my name's Tom.
My name's Dana. I'm from Chicago.
Good afternoon, NSA family. My name is Holly Nover. I'm from Jacksonville.
Oh, yeah.
Hello, everybody. My name is Ian Shook.
I'm Matt. I'm from Ontario, Canada.
I try to be myself and try to be vulnerable and open-minded.
At the NSA, I found some girls around my age, and I became friends with them. And it felt like I finally belonged somewhere.
I had to change my mindset from someone with a stuttering problem to a person who has a stutter.
When you put yourself out there and you're willing to be vulnerable, that is when incredible things happen.
Stutterers are some of the kindest people that you'll ever meet, so it's an awesome place to be.